Kintsugi, the Japanese art of repairing broken pottery with gold, is far more than a beautiful craft. It's a philosophy, a way of thinking about life, and a reminder that our flaws and scars can become part of our strength. In today's video, we explore the meaning of Kintsugi, its rich history, and the powerful lessons it offers for everyday life. Kintsugi, which translates to golden joinery, is a centuries-old technique where broken ceramic pieces are mended with a lacquer mixed with powdered gold, silver, or platinum. Instead of hiding the cracks, Kintsugi highlights them, turning the object into something even more unique and valuable than before. This art form is believed to have originated in the 15th century, when a Japanese shogun sent a damaged tea bowl to China for repair. The bowl returned with metal staples that looked unattractive, inspiring Japanese craftsmen to develop a more graceful and meaningful method of repair, the method we now know as Kintsugi. But Kintsugi is more than a way to fix pottery. It represents an entire mindset about how we view ourselves, our experiences, and the challenges we face. In life, we all experience moments that break us, whether through loss, failure, heartbreak, or disappointment. Instead of hiding these experiences or pretending they never happened, the philosophy of Kintsugi teaches us to embrace them and grow from them. Just like gold filling the cracks of a broken bowl, our struggles can make us wiser, stronger, and more compassionate. This idea connects deeply with modern concepts of healing and self-growth. In a world where perfection is often emphasized, Kintsugi reminds us that beauty lies in authenticity. Our imperfections are not something to conceal. They are proof of resilience. They tell a story. And just like Kintsugi pottery becomes more precious because of its cracks, we too can become stronger and more whole through the challenges we overcome. Kintsugi also encourages patience. Repairing pottery with this technique takes time, meticulous care, and attention to detail. It reminds us that healing, both emotional and physical, is not instant. It is a slow process that requires acceptance, reflection, and self-compassion. But once we embrace the process, we often emerge more complete than before. There are also practical advantages to this mindset. Kintsugi promotes sustainability by encouraging repair instead of disposal. It inspires creativity by turning flaws into artistic expression. And most importantly, it offers emotional resilience, helping people see setbacks not as the end, but as a new beginning. In today's fast-paced world, the philosophy of Kintsugi gives us permission to breathe, to accept our experiences, and to transform our scars into something meaningful. It teaches us that broken does not mean ruined. It simply means ready to be remade. Join us in this video as we explore this beautiful tradition, discover the deeper meaning hidden within its golden lines, and learn how Kintsugi can help us navigate the cracks and breaks in our own lives with grace, strength, and hope.